ChatGPT won't make you rich. Unless you do this, you've probably seen hundreds of videos saying, make $100 a day with ChatGPT. But here's the truth nobody tells you. ChatGPT won't make you rich. In fact, 9 out of 10 people who start an AI side hustle never make a single dollar. Why? Because they treating ChatGPT like a magic ATM instead of what it really is, a tool to multiply your skill, not replace it. I remember when ChatGPT first launched. Everyone was rushing to create ebooks, sell prompts, and start faceless channels overnight. But a few months later, most people quit. Meanwhile, a small group quietly started building systems, automations, services, and mini businesses powered by ChatGPT, and they're now making consistent monthly income. So today, I am going to show you the 1 mindset shift and 3 steps that separate those who get rich with ChatGPT from those who just watch videos about it. If you apply this system, ChatGPT won't just make you money. It'll help you build a sustainable income engine. Let's dive in. Passive income is not automatic. It's automated. People think ChatGPT will make them money by itself. But passive income only works when you first build an active system that later runs without you. You can't skip the setup phase. You have to feed ChatGPT your ideas, your skills, your story, and turn that into assets. An ebook that sells, a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue, a course or guide that teaches something valuable. Passive income equals systems plus skills plus consistency. ChatGPT gives you leverage, not laziness. I won't replace the hard work. It multiplies the results of your work. If you're already good at writing, ChatGPT helps you write faster. If you know marketing, ChatGPT helps you build campaigns quicker. It's like giving a carpenter better tools. The skill still matters. The real money is in systems, not single projects. People want 1 viral video or 1 viral product. But real creators think in systems. For example, use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, repurpose them into blog posts. Convert those blog posts into email newsletters. Turn the best performing topic into a digital product or mini course. That's how you turn one idea into a money system that compounds over time. Data is the new gold. While others are chasing passive income hacks, smart creators collect data. They use ChatGPT to analyze their top performing posts, find what resonates, and double down on it. This is how you stop guessing and start growing. Don't chase trends, build timeless value. Every few months, a new AI income hack pops up. But the ones who win long-term build around timeless needs: health, money, education, relationships. Use ChatGPT to help people solve real problems, not just follow trends. So here's the truth: ChatGPT won't make you rich. But it can help you build systems that make you rich over time. Because passive income isn't about doing nothing. It is about building something once and getting paid many times. In the next video, I'll show you why some people never attract money, no matter how hard they pray, work, or hustle. Because before you learn to make money, you must learn why money avoids some people. Subscribe, and let's build systems that actually work.